Hello everyone and welcome back to Pinteriors TV. A good kitchen design creates a custom home for everything. I mean everything. Your countertop will not be cluttered anymore. Everything will be organized, making kitchen, cooking and cleaning a breeze. New countertops, cabinets and floors are easy to clean. Most of the times with simple soap and water, you are good to go. That's all you need to keep your kitchen clean. Once your kitchen is designed with a modern functional layout, you will notice immediately the ease with which you maneuver around the kitchen. The workflow around the kitchen will completely change when everything is within reach. We also hear people say that they will renovate the kitchen when the kids get older or when they are ready to sell their homes. We say, why not enjoy it all these years while you're living there? Your return of investment for a new kitchen is always going to add value to your home. In fact, this is the number one type of remodel that makes it easier to sell your home in the future. What's more important is the life benefit you will receive by enjoying living in this house before you sell it. The life benefit you're going to enjoy for years before selling this property is enormous. There is nothing better than living in an environment that makes you comfortable and happy. You will enjoy cooking, you will enjoy spending more time with loved ones, you will enjoy working on a laptop while sipping a delicious cup of coffee in your modern kitchen. Yes, a beautiful environment is life-changing. A beautiful environment is important to your well-being. Talking about the aesthetics of a modern kitchen, imagine you spend a huge amount of time in the kitchen each and every day. So you want somewhere you can feel as calm, happy and productive as possible. Keeping benches as clutter-free as possible and have effective storage for the items in the cupboard will provide a more welcoming and comfortable space to work in. You can have a more effective storage by using the space that you have in the best way possible. This is all about maximizing your storage capability and ensuring every item has its own place. Storage rack, bin, basket, containers. This will make your life much more easier because you can quickly find what you're looking for. If your pantry and freezer are so jam-packed that you can't find the ingredients you need, you probably repurchase it without realizing it. Organizing the space so that the food items are visible and easy to access will save you money on grocery shopping. You will also be less inclined to spend more money on kitchen equipment if you know there is really no space for them. Do you know that a well-organized modern kitchen can lead to other time-efficient habits such as meal planning, quicker grocery shopping, and unpacking and easier meal prep? These things, combined with organized cabinets, drawers and great storage, will save you an enormous amount of time. Sometimes putting in that bit of extra time and effort at the start to get things organized can be the biggest time saver down the track. Meal planning is a breeze when you can see what you have set system in place for planning dinner, can easily access favorite recipe. This is because I plan out the month and know what is coming up, or donate items you no longer use. This will help to free up more valuable space in your own kitchen cabinet. This will allow you to organize your essential kitchen appliances much more effectively. You can find what you need, going hand in hand with seeing what you have. This means that you can easily find what you need. Once you've gotten rid of those items you no longer use, it will be much more easier to find what you're looking for in a flash. Keeping food in the container rather than packets in the pantry will easily extend its life and encourage it to stay fresher for a longer period of time. Those nasty bugs that can live in pantries are actually attracted to the glue on the packaging. So putting things in a container also has a major health benefit. Proper storage not only keeps food in better condition and safe from the growth of bacteria, it also reduces waste and saves you time and money. A functional and a well-organized kitchen is one that functions even friends and family come over to your home because of your disorganized kitchen. A kitchen should be a huge motivation to invite people over, so get it sorted out. You want to feel proud of your home and be happy to have guests over and have a neat and organized kitchen. This is a big step towards that. So having a space that you are super proud of, having a space that makes you happy to be in, is a huge benefit to you. And that's why we say a huge benefit of an organized kitchen is keeping it put together. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you enjoy watching this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.